We're in Nottingham at the Fire Training Centre, and the purpose of the exercise is to actually allow representatives of the housing associations to witness the demonstration of Blueproof under actual fire conditions.
The fire chamber is a similar size to a large domestic room. It has stories above it and a control room where you can see electronic readings of the temperatures caused by the fire.
We had a couple of sensors in the room, one relatively close to the fire and one further away.
We plotted this and videoed the readout from the control panel, and we could actually see the temperature rises all around the building. What we did is kept the door to the stairs open, which fully ventilated the room.
The first demo was the Benchmark, a realistic fire on the ground floor with no Blueproof fitted. The procedures we followed complied with official test methods for sidewall mounted sprinklers. In both demos, the fire was lit with a burner from a small gas bottle and used newspaper as kindling.
During the Benchmark demonstration, we were achieving temperatures at the wall in excess of 300 degrees centigrade at 1.5 metres, roughly about waist height. At the ceiling, it would have been much higher, around about 800, and at the floor, it would have been lower, roughly about 50 to 100 degrees centigrade.
The observers, mostly from housing associations and neighbouring fire services, already knew about Blueproof and wanted to see how it works with their own eyes.
What we really want to show are these temperature changes on the stairs and the temperature fall as the device activates. That's never been seen before. The second demonstration simulated the activation of Blueproof under an actual fire. So we placed a radiator adjacent to the fire.
Roger, the valve was just activated, over.
Valve just activated. And we're just saying that
once Blueproof activated, it gave us a perfect spray pattern across over the fire.
The temperatures in the room peaked at under 300 and were rapidly suppressed, and then they continued to go down. What we actually saw as well is the smoke that was generated, instead of being black as it was with the fire, become white as it took out all the smoke particles. The temperatures in the room above and on the stairs peaked at about 80, so that was a significant reduction.
If you open the side door, we'll be able to see how much fuel is actually left.
And when we opened the door, yes, the temperature spiked and rose, but it never exceeded 250 degrees. Blueproof suppressed a fire in a fully ventilated room.
Would that buy people more time to get out?
Those results have been significantly less than they were on the exact same burn without the radiator this morning. So that I would, without any scientific thought on it, they've got more chances of surviving those conditions than they had this morning.
Blueproof has also caught the eye of budget-savvy property developers.
It was a solution that I needed that week when I found it, and it was to replace having to spend £20,000 on a smoke extraction system on a staircase for a conversion of a house into flats. It does what it says on the tin. It was precisely what they said it would achieve. It's one of those things that once you've seen it, it's a no-brainer. Small and simple is the way to go.